Hey y'all, how you doing today? Danna here, popping in with some more recipes that'll help you out at Thanksgiving, but that will also help you out all year long. Today I'm gonna make yummy chicken pie. Yummy chicken pie, which is on page 11 in my cookbook, Happiness is Homemade. Now this is something you could also do with turkey. You could turn, instead of using chicken, use turkey and change this into a yummy turkey pie, but you'll use the same process. It's on page 11 in my book, Happiness is Homemade. So we're still talking about the upcoming Thanksgiving and what we need to do to take care of all this food we're gonna be cooking. And if you cook a big bird and you have a lot of stuff left over, you gotta do something with it. And I have two recipes that'll work. One of them is on page 11 and the other one is on page, oh dear, where's my glasses? Hold on a minute. Y'all don't have that problem, do you, about glasses? On page 97, it's called Mama Holt's Turkey Hash. It's a really good recipe that you can use up extra turkey if you have any left. So my book, Happiness is Homemade, is online. You can get it on Amazon in both print book and as an ebook. And if y'all like good turkey recipes or chicken recipes, give me a heart. Let me know who my people are. All right, y'all, here we go. Y'all save the recipe and share it so you can have it on Thanksgiving. All right, this is what we're gonna do if we have a whole lot of turkey left over. And if you do, you'll get you a 9 by 13 dish and you'll put about 3 cups of your turkey in there, okay? Or chicken, if you're doing this with chicken. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a topping. And we need to preheat that oven to 425. Y'all, I've been making this yummy chicken pie recipe for decades, and I have given this recipe away so many times. So I'm gonna show you how to do it real fast today. The first thing you're gonna do is get you some flour. Now you need about 1 cup of flour. Okay, here we go. And I'm gonna make the little hole in the middle. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna need a cup of buttermilk. But one of my tips that me and my family's used forever is if you don't have buttermilk, you take your milk, and remember we need 1 cup, and we're gonna pour in about a tablespoon of white vinegar. So we're gonna do that right now and just set it to the side, okay? Because what that's gonna do is, as my family would say, clabber or sour your milk. So that's what we wanna do with that. So just leave it sitting to the side for just a jiffy. All right, now we gotta do something to cream up the stuff. So we're gonna take 2 cups of broth, chicken or turkey broth, and we're gonna add a can of cream of chicken soup. Y'all, it'll be so creamy with that in there. It's gonna make it taste delicious. Now this is hot right here. I've already heated that chicken broth up. So now I'm just gonna put the whisk to it and whisk it up. Now listen, y'all, these are some of what I do with my leftover turkey and stuff, but you know, what do you do? Do you have any hints for me that will help my Thanksgiving be better? Because I love these recipes, but I'm always open to more. Lots of families, yours included, have good recipes, and I love finding out about them. As a matter of fact, I've been thinking of this new idea that I could get some of my friends that are excellent cooks to come in here and show us some of their specialties. What do y'all think about that? Would y'all like that? I mean, I have a few friends that are just awesome cooks. I would love to highlight some of their good stuff. And if they'll share their secrets, wouldn't we be better cooks for it? Give me a thumbs up if y'all think that's a good idea so I'll know. All right, y'all, I've got this done. Now, what I'm gonna do with this is just pour it right over the meat. So here I go. That's 2 cups of chicken broth and 1 can of cream of chicken soup. So you see what that does? That makes it look really, really good. All right, so here we go. We got to do the topping. Before I get to going, I want to tell y'all that I'm a pepper girl. I like pepper in it, and I put a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper in my topping. Now, if you don't want that much pepper, don't put it, but that's what I do. Let me see if I can get that open. Sometimes I have trouble opening stuff. All right, so this right here is the teaspoon, because really I put a teaspoon. I was just embarrassed to tell you. I put a whole teaspoon in there because I like the pepper. It adds something to this chicken thing, y'all. So let's just stir that together. All right, and now we're gonna add the milk. We're gonna add milk. And see that if you notice when I pour the milk in, it's a little lumpy, and that's because the vinegar has been doing its job. Okay, and also I'm gonna pour in 1 stick of butter, and this is melted, so I'm pouring it right in. And y'all, this is the topping for the yummy chicken pie or the yummy turkey pie. Now look, at this point, you can add vegetables into your turkey if you want to, but I don't do that. I like to have mine on the sides because I've got somebody in the family, and y'all know how it is, who don't like their foods touching, so I have to do the vegetables a little bit different, but that's okay. Y'all do what you want to do, and it's real good this way. Get my little whisk here and whisk. Y'all, I've given out this recipe so many times. I think I've told you that my husband is a statesman, and ever so often we'll send out recipe cards when he sends out information to the people in his district. Well, one time I sent out yummy chicken pie, and I'm gonna tell y'all, we were in a Christmas parade later, and we were going down in our 57 Chevy. I have a 57 Chevy, pictures of it are in the book. We were driving down in a parade route, and I had people yelling out to me, "We love your yummy chicken pie." And I was like, yippee! I'm glad somebody likes it. So anyway, I've had a lot of good response with this. All right, stir this up, and then we're just gonna pour this over the top. Let me pull this up here where you can see it. Okay, there we go. Here it is with all that goodie in it. Now we're just gonna spoon it over the top. And it's thin, it's not a thick batter. Don't worry, it's gonna rise to the top. Okay, don't worry, it's gonna rise to the top. Y'all, my family loves this. It's so comforting, delicious. Make sure you get it spread out. Ooh, yeah. All right, we're fixing to put this baby in a 425 degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. And this is gonna pop up and brown like a really delicious biscuit. So give me a second, I'm gonna pop this in the oven. 425. Okay, it's in the oven. Now, I know y'all always like to see the finished product, so I made a small one. Hold on. I made a small one in my little dish that I've had, these little baking dishes I've had since we got married. I made a tiny little small one. And y'all, this is so good. I'm gonna do a bite for you. Sometimes when I get happy about food and I giggle, do y'all do that? Oh my goodness, it is so hot. I just pulled it out of the oven. Let's hope for the best. It's got that wonderful succulent turkey that I just cooked the other day in it. It's got this beautiful bread topping, and it's hot. Y'all wish me luck. I'm going in. Y'all, this is delicious. Look at that chicken. Oh my goodness. Y'all are gonna love me for this. Makes me happy. That is so good. Y'all are gonna love it. It's creamy. The breading is like a really wonderful biscuit. It's succulent, y'all. It's just really delicious. I hope you will try this recipe out. And let me know if you do. Post a pic below so I can see it. But anyway, yummy chicken pie or yummy turkey pie. That's what we're gonna do to take care of those leftovers at Thanksgiving. And y'all save this video so you'll have it when it's time for Thanksgiving. And also, if you don't mind, share it. Would you mind? Please share it for me. All right, I'm gonna pop out of here now because I got other stuff I gotta do, but I'm gonna tell you what I always tell you. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. Y'all go out and make you some yummy chicken pie, yummy turkey pie. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.